In the plant, it's hustle and bustle. I mean, it's just on the go, and there's a lot of 24/7 around the clock, and there's very little of that sunshine to go around to say, "Attaboy, what way to go." So I think that this type of recognition, it doesn't trickle down, it trickles everywhere.
Hi, I'm Samson. I work for IKO in the Reliability Engineering Department.
Hi, I'm Louis Wong. I've been with IKO for about 12 years, and I'm the Senior Corporate Reliability and Maintenance and Manager and in charge of EAM and MRO.
My name is Richard Almendares. I'm with Prometheus Group, and I'm from Dallas-Fort Worth, Texas. Our partnership with IKO started probably about 11 years ago. They were looking for a planning and scheduling solution to help improve their experience with Maximo, and we met at a conference. They started utilizing our tool, and they've been a happy customer ever since.
Our partnership with Prometheus has brought us to pursue our journey through Maximo Cloud, with MAS.
This is our first MAS8 planning and scheduling customer. To come, we have several customers that are already planning for this effort. So I think it's going to be a great motivator to just keep pushing forward.
This kind of awards is really meaningful, and we feel honored to receive it. And the most important is the efforts that our whole team, our company, all the plants, all their efforts are being recognized. So I think that is very meaningful.
Especially the young generation, our generations do seek out that validation. Am I doing this right? Is this, I read about this, but is this the right way? Am I going about it the right way? This type of validation, especially from something like MaximoWorld, is, it's the ultimate. So, it's the Grammy Award, something like that, for reliability engineers. So yeah, this, especially for younger generations, older generations too. I'm a baby boomer, so I mean, it feels just as good to me as it would to a Generation Y. I think, as Terrence put it, a little sunshine goes a long way.